Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys 3 Series, I'm talking about BMW E90 E91 E92 E93 guys, and you have a 6-cylinder engine guys such as N51, N52, N53 or N54 engine guys, and you need to locate where your vacuum pump is located, also known as brake vacuum pump. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, what needs to be done to get to it, and what needs to be done to replace it guys. Now we will have a very detailed replacement video coming very soon as well, but in that video we will show you how to get to it, where it's located, what to expect, and you will need special tools as well. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we make close to 400 or 500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video in return guys for all the free information that we provide. Now, any parts, tools that we'll mention guys, you can find the links in the description of the video below. Okay, we'll share all that for your convenience. So specifically now guys, okay, this is a 2006 BMW 325i, but if you have anyone with the N52 engine such as 323, 325, 328, 330, 335 guys, okay, the procedure will apply. Now, super hidden location for that pump, and it's not easy to replace. Why? Because it's part of the timing chain system, and we will explain why guys. First, you need to guys remove air filter box, you need to remove intake manifold, you need to disconnect properly the car battery in order to do that, because you'll be super close to positive wires coming from the battery guys on the starter and the alternator. We will have the video on the channel, and I will put it in the link in the description of the video below guys, how to remove intake manifold if you need to do that, and how to properly disconnect your car battery. So please guys, check it out. It matters which terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative. Once you guys do all that, okay, if you come on the back side right here, check it out what we have here. This is guys our brake pump, vacuum pump right here. This is the vacuum pump. Now if yours is not functioning correctly, things to consider guys. Check, okay, check that fitting here, that it's good, make sure that it's not cracked. Our hole started cracking here as you can see, so you can develop a leak but the pump still be good, so there may be no need to replace it. Now if you need to buy a new pump, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. You cannot remove the pump from the backside. All we can do is remove guys that cover, but that's not gonna do anything because that's the internals of the pump. The only way to remove the pump guys, it's through the front of the engine. So you need to remove the intake duct, you need to remove the idler pulley there guys, okay, and once you do all that, okay, let me show you here what we have. This is, okay, this is the timing chain on that engine. That little bitty timing chain is for the oil pump and the brake pump, vacuum pump right here guys. And you will need a special tool, okay, that is going to set everything in place so we can safely remove the pump, okay, without screwing the timing on your engine. Because otherwise guys, okay, you will have to redo everything, engine will run like crap, or you may even damage your engine to where you may need a rebuild or new engine. So it's a complicated process, and we'll be making the video very soon guys, how to replace that thing. But for any of you wondering what you need new pump, you need to remove quite a few parts, and you need a special tool that we'll have listed in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.